Hello strawberry enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share some incredible strawberry growing methods that have completely revolutionized my harvest. If you've ever dreamt of harvesting plump, juicy strawberries right from your backyard, then you're in for a delightful surprise. Over the years, I've tested and perfected a few techniques that have proven to significantly enhance the size and sweetness of my strawberries. Today we'll delve into the magic of raised beds, the efficiency of drip irrigation, and the wonders of vertical gardening. Each of these methods has its unique benefits, from improved drainage and pest control, to efficient water use and maximizing garden space. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or a novice looking to dip your toes into the world of homegrown strawberries, stay tuned. If you've ever wished for bigger, sweeter strawberries, you're in for a treat. First up, we have the raised bed method. There's a world of benefits to this approach, especially when it comes to growing strawberries. By elevating your garden, you're not just making it easier on your back. You're also creating an optimal environment for your strawberry plants to thrive. Raised beds offer improved drainage, which is essential for strawberries. These plants love water, but they don't like to sit in it. Too much water can lead to root rot and other diseases. With raised beds, excess water naturally drains away, maintaining the perfect moisture balance for your plants. But the benefits don't stop at drainage. Raised beds also provide excellent aeration. Strawberries need oxygen just as much as they need water. By lifting your garden off the ground, you're allowing more air to reach the roots. This results in healthier, stronger plants that are primed to produce big, sweet berries. And let's not forget about pest control. Slugs and snails are common enemies of the strawberry plant. With raised beds, your precious berries are kept out of reach, reducing the risk of pest damage. Now, where should you place your raised bed? The answer is simple. Find the sunniest spot in your garden. Strawberries need at least 6 hours of sunlight each day to produce fruit. Once you've chosen your spot, it's time to prepare the soil. Strawberries prefer slightly acidic soil, rich in organic matter. A great way to improve your soil is by adding compost. Not only does compost provide essential nutrients, but it also improves soil structure and moisture retention. So by planting strawberries in raised beds, you provide excellent drainage and aeration for the roots, leading to healthier plants and juicier fruits. And remember, a sunny spot and compost-enriched soil are key to maximizing your harvest. This method is a game changer, folks. Give it a try and you'll be enjoying your own sweet and luscious strawberries in no time. Next, let's talk about irrigation. Strawberries need consistent moisture, especially during the fruiting season. However, traditional watering methods can be wasteful and increase the risk of plant diseases. So what's the solution? Enter the drip irrigation system, a game changer for any strawberry garden. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about drip irrigation? Well, this method delivers water directly to the roots of your plants, ensuring they receive the optimal amount of moisture. This targeted approach not only conserves water, but also promotes healthier, more productive plants. By keeping the plant leaves dry, drip irrigation significantly reduces the risk of fungal diseases that can decimate your strawberry crop. But how exactly does a drip irrigation system work? It's simpler than you might think. The system consists of a network of tubes or hoses that distribute water gradually and directly to the plant roots. This gradual release of water mimics natural rainfall, providing your strawberries with a steady supply of moisture without causing waterlogging or erosion. Setting up a drip irrigation system is relatively straightforward. You'll need a water source, a backflow preventer to keep your water supply clean, a pressure regulator to control water flow, a filter to remove any debris, and of course the drip tubing itself. Once everything is connected, you can adjust the flow rate to meet the specific needs of your strawberry plants. Regular maintenance is key to the success of your drip irrigation system. Check for leaks or blockages regularly and clean the filter as needed. With proper care, your system can last for several years, providing your strawberries with the consistent moisture they need to thrive. So if you want to maximize your strawberry yield, while conserving water and protecting your plants from disease, consider installing a drip irrigation system. It might seem a bit intimidating at first, but trust me, the results are well worth the effort. Drip irrigation delivers water directly to the roots, minimizing water waste and reducing the risk of fungal diseases. Now that's what I call a win-win situation for your strawberry garden. Last but not least, let's discuss vertical gardening. This method is a game changer, especially for those working with limited space. By growing your strawberries upwards, you can transform a small plot into a thriving strawberry haven. But the benefits of vertical gardening extend beyond just space saving. Strawberries grown vertically enjoy improved air circulation. This keeps the plants healthier by reducing the risk of fungal diseases that thrive in damp, stagnant conditions. Better air circulation also means your plants are more likely to get pollinated, ensuring a fruitful harvest. Moreover, vertical gardening enhances sun exposure. Strawberries love the sun, and when grown vertically, more leaves are exposed to sunlight, leading to more energy for growth and more delicious sweet strawberries. Now, how do you get your strawberries to grow vertically? It's simple. Train the runners of your strawberry plants to climb a trellis. As the plant grows, gently guide the runners onto the trellis, securing them with soft ties if needed. Growing strawberries vertically not only saves space but also encourages better air circulation and sun exposure. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the results. Just take a look at these beauties. The fruits of our labor are big, juicy strawberries that are simply bursting with sweetness. That's the magic of the raised bed method, the efficiency of the drip irrigation system, and the wonders of vertical gardening. These tried and tested methods have truly revolutionized my strawberry harvest, giving me bigger and sweeter fruits than ever before. And the best part? You can achieve these results too. Whether you have a sprawling garden or just a small corner on your balcony, these techniques are adaptable and easy to implement. So why not give them a try? Embark on this exciting journey and experience the joy of harvesting your own big, sweet strawberries. You might just find yourself wishing you discovered these methods sooner. So there you have it, folks. 3 game-changing methods for growing big, sweet strawberries. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.